Alright, so the other day I was on YouTube and I saw a guy make a 3-hour Neapolitan dough. Now I've never made, well, I don't think I've made a Neapolitan, but I know that Neapolitan dough has a lot more hydration. So, and it uses 0,0 flour. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to try to emulate that recipe. The only difference is I'm going to use some olive oil and sugar because I use a conventional oven. He used like a brick oven in a restaurant. So mine doesn't get that hot. So I'm going to try to recreate the browning with the sugar and the olive oil and make it a softer crust with the olive oil. So we'll see what happens. But he used 500 grams of 0,0 flour and 375 grams of, I'm using room temperature water. And then 10 grams of salt, 10 grams of sugar, 10 grams of olive oil, and 2 grams of active dry yeast, and 12 grams of salt. So we'll get started. First, we're going to bloom the, really, you don't have to do this, but I'm doing it. But I'm going to stir up the, I'm just going to get a whisk and whisk it instead of the spoon, and we'll go ahead and add our flour. I've done messed up once. Okay, and then olive oil, sugar, and salt. Now, people say that salt will kill your yeast, but that is a myth. So anyway, we'll get this to a shaggy dough. I'm trying not to make too many mistakes here, but I've already did this in the wrong order. Let's see, it's a, and then I'll go in with my hands. It's really wet, so and it's going to cover it just like that. Alright, so there's the first #1 pizza, and I had it on broil to try to crisp the top, and I got it too long. I mean, it's nice and puffy. If I took it out like 2 minutes before that, I think it'd have been perfect. Yeah, so I mean, it looks good. It's got bready. Bottom isn't quite cooked enough to do that, so maybe next time only a couple minutes on the broil. But look at that, right there. That's what I want, nice and soft. But yeah, the char is not, a little too much.